ComfortVision is here live. Follow him on Facebook or YouTube now. YouTube, yeah. You got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Ron Cambra, come to the table, please.
Hey, Don. Hello.
Ron Cambra.
Hey. Nelson Mary.
He's got his puppy.
I got my ticket for that.
Dano.
All right.
Robert, we lost.
We have second place. And I want to mention, there was cards and stickers put up here, Cambra Speed Shop sticker to put with every one of the trophies, and a pack of cards from Blacktop Magazine. And somebody took the cards and a sticker. So, or two of them, 2 packs of cards and 2 stickers. So anyway, they're for the trophy winners. But anyway, second place is, the winner is number 46, a 68 Chevy Camaro, Mario Batello, with a 327. Mario, come on up. Congratulations, thank you for coming out.
Thank you.
This is Ron Cambra, and that's Rod Sexton that makes the trophies, my guy.
How are you? Thank you. Take your finger with me. Thanks for bringing your car.
Thank you, Rod, for making the trophies every week. Thank you, Ron Cambra, for supporting our show every month for over 3 years now.
There we go. But yes, one more.
Woohoo! Thank you, PCTV. You rock. Have a safe trip.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, first place. First place, number 29, a 55 Ford Thunderbird, Rocky Valencia. Come on up. From Palm Springs, or no, Palm Springs Club, cruising.
Yeah, we said the club. That's my weekend home.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Turn around, get a picture with them.
Oh, sorry. Okay,
And
very
come to the shop next time, and like I said, I'll give you a tour. I'll give you a free t-shirt.
Great.
Congratulations. Happy Thanksgiving. Turn around. We'll get a picture.
Turn around, get your picture taken.
As good as we can get.
Okay.
It's not the best on the video, but we try.
Thank you
Okay,
very
here we go.
much.
One more. Thank you much. All right, guys.
Thank you, Rocky. We'll see you again. We will be here next week, the day after Thanksgiving. We will be here. All right, number 26, best of show, Chris Price. Come on up. It's a Dodge
I
Hornet.
thought it was yours.
Beautiful.
Beautiful car. Good choice.
Come on, Chris Price.
Definitely.
Beautiful, beautiful car.
I'm his grandfather. I'll pick it up for him.
Oh,
Okay, there you go.
congratulations. Grandpa's here to pick it up. All right. Thank you for coming out. Hope to see you again. Happy Thanksgiving. We need your photo back here with the maker of the trophy and Ron Cambra.
Give you a free t-shirt too.
Okay.
Coupon for a free shirt.
Thank you.
Yeah, come on, take a picture.
There we go.
I want to thank 102 Cafe for being so nice with loud music. Thank you, thank you. Right? PCTV, ComfortVision, let's get ready to roll with the raffle. Who's ready to win? You guys are quiet tonight. Everybody's like, it's cold. It's not that cold, we're in California.
I know. I'm leaving for freaking.
All right, here we go.
All right. Well, that was camera night.
PCTV, I want to mention Surf City Classics. 52 Wednesdays a year. Huntington Beach, be there.
Get you some of this.
Get you some of that, Brian.
That's right.
Garden Grove, 52 Fridays a year. Get you some of that. I hope he sees these videos. Hi, Brian. We love you. Happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas. Okay. Oh, shoot. 238. I lost my glasses. 864. 238-864.
That'd be me. Woo!
Joy, she's a winner. You can pick anything off the table except for the TV.